Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. If you've got Agapanthus in your landscape, you've probably already noticed by now that they're done blooming. They've got these little spikes, as you can see on them. It's where they've dropped all of their little flower petals. They've got their little seed pods. The temptation is going to be pretty high to go in here in these stalks. People want to go in there and they want to cut them. It's not that that's necessarily wrong, but it's just not the proper way to go about maintaining these. Here, probably over the next 2 to 3 weeks, these stalks are going to start drying out. And I'm going to show you one here in a minute that's already got a head start. What you want to do is just wait, let this stalk dry all the way out, and then you ought to be able to come up to this plant, and with just a very light tug, you'll be able to pull the whole stalk out, and then you can just throw it away, mulch it, just whatever it is you want to do with it. So if you got Agapanthus, kind of resist the temptation if you can. Don't go in and cut the green stalk. Just kind of let things do their thing. Let the plant go through its natural cycle. And in a couple weeks, you're going to be able to go and pull it out. So anyway, hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know.